Hi guys, welcome back to the workshop. So today we've got some Star Wars Lego to build. Let's put this to one side. I'm a big fan of Lego. You'd call me an adult fan of Lego. So today we've got the Star Wars set 75127, which is the Ghost, as seen in Star Wars Rebels. It's a 104 piece set. It retails about £9 from the Lego shop itself. It also comes with a scale size of Hera Syndulla. She's a Twi'lek, which is the same species as the person that's dancing with Jabba the Hutt in Return of the Jedi. So let's pop this box open and see what we've got inside. Now, should just add, I've never actually watched any of the Star Wars Rebels films at all. Cartoons, sideshows, so I'm not really sure what the Ghost is or what it looks like. I've looked at a picture on Google. So 2 bags, not numbered, presumably that doesn't matter. So let's just get all these pieces out. Start building something. Really annoys me with these boxes, these small little micro fighter style boxes, that the book always gets bent in half. It's irritating. So let's get the head out of the bag to one side. Head on. Where's the legs? Give me the legs. The legs! There we go. Cool. There we go. So let's go ahead and get this built. There. I always make mistakes when I'm building Lego. I've been building it for a few years now. Always go wrong. Always. When I built my Lego 8080, put one of the first pieces on. Where's the piece? Back to front. That led to some issues later on when the legs were upside down. It was awesome. Not. I've already gone wrong. No! Give me the piece. I get so carried away that I assume the way the pieces are going to go on are correct. Never are. Let's try again. I've put another piece on wrong. It's worth noting though that in Lego books, the black piece and the grey piece is the dark grey. It's sometimes hard to distinguish between the two, but I probably should have picked that up when I realised that it wasn't symmetrical. Anyway, back to it. And there we go, all finished. So we get some spare little bullet shot, laser bullet things. one spare flat yellow see-through and one spare orange see-through that can go with the rest of the stuff. And we've got a woman, what's her name again? I forget her name. Hera Syndulla, little laser cannon, and she can actually sit on it in there. So there we go. This is the Ghost all built. It's a good comparison of what the actual ship looks like. There's a few moving parts, so the wings here move up and down like this. These can turn, but obviously that's a bit redundant having those turning. This is a cannon front, so don't shoot at your eyes, it'll hurt. So yeah, it's got some good functionality. I quite like it actually. It's quite a good little ship, can go with the rest of the little pieces of Lego that I've got. So there we go. There's the Ghost Lego set 75127. Hope you've enjoyed watching. I'll put a link in the description if you want to go and buy one for yourself, or if you're just interested in looking what it is. Yeah, let me know what you think in the comments. Does it look like the real ship? Don't know. See you next time. Goodbye.